Hi guys, it's Petra. In this video I want to show you how to create a splash page. Now the site where you can create 3 free splash pages is easyhits4u.com. Now once you've started your registered your free account and you log in, you would click on Easy Splash Builder and then you would scroll down, and I already have 3 here, but you would click to add a new one. It reads Add New Splash, and that's how you would start your get to the right page to start your splash page. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to create the splash page, but I want you to take a look at the 3 different styles that I have here. So there's one basic one right there. What I did was use a hosted banner like I've shown you in the previous videos. I embedded a link here and a hosted image here. I'm going to close that one and open the next one for you, just so you can see the different styles that are available. Here I used a free autoresponder. I used the HTML code from the free autoresponder and pasted it here, changed the text a little bit in the autoresponder code, and added one of the default images that is available at easyhits4u. I also have a hosted banner here, my own hosted banner. And if you notice with easyhits4u, it has a header at the top here. It's got your photo, easyhits4u, and it's got a clickable link here to build your own free splash page. So when you're using these splash pages at different sites to promote your offer here, it's also promoting easyhits4u. So when someone clicks this, even if they're not interested in this and they just want to get their own splash page, they would click this link here and they would become your referral at easyhits4u. So here's the third one. This one's fairly basic. Black background, still has the header, of course. As an upgraded member, you can remove the header if you want. I used a default photo, and I used one of their default buttons here. I embedded my link there so that when someone clicks it, they'll go to the URL that I want them to go to. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a splash page at easyhits4u. Okay, guys, it's Petra. I'm at easyhits4u, and this is part 2. And this is on creating a splash page. So what I did was choose one of the splash pages, and I clicked edit, and I'm going to remove what I have here and start over again. So I'm just clicking and deleting. And one of the things that you need to do is give your page a title. So I'm just going to change the title here. Copy, copy, copy. The top frame, you cannot remove it unless you are an upgraded member. So that's why it's grayed out. The avatar in the top frame, that's your photo that I showed you on the left. Custom header to the splash, that you can click here. It says you can add a popular name, like if you're surfing at a particular site, you've entered your URL at a particular site, it'll show that name at the top. So for example, if you have the URL to this splash page and you've inserted it at Hits Booster Pro, then when members of Hits Booster Pro are surfing, it's going to read at the top, "Hi, Hits Booster Pro Surfer," at the top of the splash page. So you can keep that if you want or remove it. It gets members' attention more when you do have that check marked. Okay, so here you're going to choose a background color. I'm going to click the color wheel here. Choose one of these by clicking it. And then you're going to choose the table border. So I'm going to choose blue. And I'm going to give it a wider border. 4. And I like groove, but we can try double. Okay. Now, what we do here is we can type what we want, and then you can change the size and color. Get paid to drink and share healthy coffee. Click below to watch my coffee movie. Don't forget to request a free sample. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select the text, go to font size, left click one of those choices, go to this section here to choose a color, choose a color, then I'm going to click font family and scroll down and choose one of these, try impact. Okay, and it's got an extra line there, so I'm going to click that away. So then I want to add a photo. So you go here to this little tree. If you hover over it, reads insert/edit image. So I'm going to click that. Now this is where you're going to need to place the URL that I had mentioned to you before. You need to have an image URL to enter there and paste it. Once you do that, it's going to show up in the preview window and you're going to click insert. I don't have a URL right now, so let's go to image gallery next to the little tree. Let's go to image gallery here and click that and just choose one of their images. So it has a folder here for your images that you've already uploaded, but I'm going to go ahead and choose arrows and see what they have. So they're going to have images for free members and for upgraded members. So the ones that are grayed out are for upgraded members. So I'm going to choose this one here. Now I clicked it once, but normally you would double click it to select it. So let me double click. Okay, then I'm going to hit return. And I'm going to type the link that I want them to visit here. Okay, and it makes it clickable automatically. Anytime that it doesn't make it clickable automatically, all you have to do is backspace and retype the last character and then hit spacebar. And that's usually in any HTML editor, and it'll do that for you. So I chose the background color, I chose the border, although you don't see it yet till we preview. I added text, I chose the font, I chose the size, and I chose the color. If you wanted to, you could highlight here, say yellow. You could highlight the text. And then I went to image gallery, or you can enter the URL for the image of your choice. And I chose the arrow. And then I entered the clickable URL that I want to send them to. So I'm going to click update. Now I'm going to scroll back down so we can take a look at that. So here it is, the one I named Coffee, Coffee, Coffee. And I want you to see from top to bottom what it's going to look like. First of all, I want you to notice the URL here. This is the URL that you would enter at other traffic exchange sites that you wanted to promote this page onto. Then you're going to see it has my photo here, Easy Hits for You, build your own free splash page there. And this is what the page looks like. It's got your gray background, your blue border. I chose the double. And it has my text, my highlighted text, the arrow, and the clickable links. And I click that to test it. You should always test your pages. It does take me to where I want it to take me, so it's working properly. So here's the link. I would just copy that, Control C after I click and drag, and then Control V and paste it into the URL section at any traffic exchange or list builder or safe list that I want to promote it on. And that's how you create a splash page at easyhits4u, and remember that as a free member, you can create 3 for free and use them anywhere that you want. Thanks for watching.